Hello and welcome to our Blue Wallet tutorial. In this video, we will give you a simple overview on how to create a new wallet and make your first transaction, not only on the main chain, but also in the Lightning Network. After opening the app, you can create a wallet by clicking on the plus and choose between Bitcoin or Lightning depending on what you need. In our case, we start off with the classic Bitcoin wallet. The next step is to get some Bitcoin in your wallet, either by withdrawing it from an exchange or by receiving it from a friend. To do that, you select your wallet and type on receive. Now you must confirm once again that you wrote down your backup words and can then copy your receiving address and paste it wherever you need it or share it with anyone. This address is not sensitive information and can be shared with no concern. To save time, we already made the transaction yesterday. As you can see on the screen, we now have around 8,000 sats in our wallet that we can use for further transactions. Because on-chain transactions are rather expensive and slow, we will now show you how to use the Lightning Network. For this purpose, we create another wallet, now choosing Lightning. Once again, we have to save our backup, although for Lightning wallets, it is an address or a QR code instead of words. To get Satoshis to this new wallet, we select it and click on Manage Funds. There we can choose from different options. Usually the first two are the most relevant. With the first option, you can deposit funds from a Bitcoin wallet in the app, while with the second one, you can do the same thing with an external wallet like an exchange. Now we are gonna use the refill option and just transfer all of our funds to our Lightning wallet. Then we can also choose how much mining fees we are willing to spend, which will influence the time until the settlement of the transaction. For now, I'm just gonna choose the fastest option to be able to continue as soon as possible. Right now, that costs me only 3 sats per VBytes, but that number depends on different factors and changes all the time. Now the transaction went through and we have to wait for 3 confirmations to unlock the funds in our wallet and be able to send them. While we are waiting, we can monitor the progress of our transaction in the Block Explorer. There we can see all the information about the transaction, such as fees, volume, size, and also whether it is already confirmed. After some waiting time, we now received our Satoshis. Now we are gonna demonstrate just how fast Lightning transactions really are. For a better illustration, we will show both the sender and the receiver side of the transaction. First, the person who requests the Satoshis has to open the Lightning wallet and select Receive. Then he has to insert the amount of Satoshis he wants to receive and select Create Invoice. The invoice can now be shared via basically every texting platform, or the sender can scan the QR code if you meet him in person. Now we will switch to the screen of the sender and copy-paste the invoice there. Before making the payment, we obviously see the amount of the invoice. Then we just click Pay to make the payment. Now you can once again see the screen of the receiver, where the paid amount is instantly available after refreshing. This is actually how fast those transactions are, and we did not make a cut. We hope this video was helpful and saved you some time. If it did, be sure to like, subscribe and share the video, and if you have any further questions or feedback, just leave a comment and we will make sure to reply as soon as possible.